Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today topic is career in civil engineering, especially in India and Pakistan. Also job markets. That's why I am recording today the topic career in civil engineering, because many civil engineering students, they completed BTech, BS civil engineering diplomas, but they don't know career in civil engineering, especially in Pakistan and in India. They don't know where I can apply for the job. So today I will also discuss for the job market. So therefore you must watch this video from start to end, then you're able to know career in civil engineering and job market, especially for civil engineers. So before starting the video, you will not pay for like this video. So like this video and subscribe the channel with press bell icon if you are new, right? Let's start. Here the first topic is career in civil engineering. Many students, they don't know. They completed degree, diploma, BS civil engineering, but they don't know career in civil engineering. Guys, civil engineering deals with the design. Civil engineering deals with the design, construction and maintenance of physical structures in civil engineering, especially including roads, bridges, dams, railway and airports, right? So you should know that civil engineers deal with the design, and design especially design a road, design a building, design a railway line, design a road, okay, design an airport, dam, etc. Actually physical structures. Okay, now guys, come to the main point. All areas of building and constructing a structure fall under the work of civil engineer. Many students, they are confused. I don't have job, how I can apply for the job? Okay, so guys, when you become a civil engineer, so you should know that a civil engineer, under the civil engineer, bridge can be construct, road can be construct, building can be construct, dam can be construct, airport can be construct. So what's the reason that you can't get a job? So this is your problem, because you don't have specialty in your subject. So you should have a good knowledge with your subject, if that is in building construction or bridges, dam, railway or an airport. Okay, so this is career in civil engineering. So guys, all these things, over all of building and construction a structure fall under the work of civil engineer. So without civil engineer, no one can construct a building, construct a road, bridge, dam, railway, airport, etc. because these are physical structures and it should be done by a civil engineers. Okay, guys, a civil engineer including planning, also this is the responsibility of engineer, planning, design, budgeting, survey, construction management and analysis. This is the work of civil engineer. So this is unfortunately of civil engineer, if they completed a degree with a good knowledge and if they don't have job, so this is the unfortunately, especially for civil engineers. So you should have a good knowledge with your subject. So I hope you can get a job easily, right? Now guys, if you completed civil engineering and you want to apply for the job, because especially fresher, they don't know how I can apply, in which project I can apply, in which job market I can apply. So guys, these are job markets for if you have any related subject, if you have a good knowledge with your subject, for example, so you can apply for the job. So these are the job markets. This is a second topic. Okay, so the first one is contractors and consultant companies. This is related with civil engineering. So for example, if you have a good money and you don't have job, for example, and you want to start your business, so you can become a contractor. So now you will be think that why I am a civil engineer, or why a civil engineer can become a contractor? Because guys, a civil engineer just get a salary from the government, but if you have your company, civil construction company, so a good contractors can make more money compared to site engineer or civil engineer or structural designer, because you can just get a salary from the government, but self work is the best, especially for civil engineers. If you have a small company and there you have a team, one can do the design, other one can architecture, the other one is steel structure, so you are a contractor, so you will get a project by contracts, okay. Then also a consultant's company, okay, you can manage easily. So in job markets, the first one is contractors and consultant companies, so you can also apply for this, and also you can start your private work. The second one is, guys, building and construction companies. You can apply for that if that is government or if that is private, or if you want to start your own project or your own company. Building and construction company I have also a small construction company where I have a team and I manage the design, planning, and also I am doing the construction for the house, sometime by labor cost and sometime by material cost, okay. The other one is, guys, railway industry. You can also apply in railway industry if you have a good knowledge about railway. The third one is highway industry. The fourth one is bridges industry, okay, because every industry have their own department, so therefore you can apply for the different job market if you want to apply for government or in private sectors, okay. So the other one is environmental industry, energy and power plant industry, okay, tunneling industry, tunneling, okay, and road tunneling, and water and public health companies. So guys, this is the unfortunately of civil engineers, because you have more industries related with civil engineering, so therefore, guys, civil engineering is the father of engineering, okay. That's why, because all engineering is incomplete without civil engineering. You can see mechanical engineer, when a civil engineer don't plan for any project, so he can't do anything. You can see electrical engineer, so he is also depend on the civil engineer. So many civil engineer, many fields, many engineerings, okay, they depend on the civil engineer. So first of all, civil engineer will get start, then the other engineering will be also including with a civil engineer, okay, or civil engineering field. So guys, so therefore this is career in civil engineering which I have discussed. If you don't know, so you should know about these, that a civil engineer can be construct these things, physical structures, as you can see nowadays, and also all these things cannot be completed without civil engineer. And if you don't know about the job market, especially for apply the job or for private sectors, or if you want to start your own project or your own company, so these are given which I have discussed the front of you. So guys, this is very important for you people to know about this. So maybe in interview they will ask from you that tell us about what is the work of civil engineer. So you can say that civil engineering deals with the design, construction and maintenance physical structures, like these things. So I think it is very important for civil engineering students and for civil engineers, or if you want to apply for the job, so during interview, so you it can help you more. So therefore you should know about this. So guys, if you have any question related with this topic, career in civil engineering in job market, so you can comments. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.